Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Leah Toshie. Welcome. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a little bit of skincare. I'm obsessed with skincare. I love skincare. I'm always trying to perfect my skin and improve it, especially as I'm getting older. The anti-aging, the exfoliating, the everything. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my weekly in-depth skincare routine. I do not by any means have perfect skin. Very, very far from perfect skin, okay? She's been through a lot. We have been through a lot. But for some reason, I get so many questions about what my skincare routine is, what products I use. So that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I try my best to upload every single Sunday. As always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, as you can probably tell, I just went to the gym. I'm still in my gym clothes. I haven't taken a shower yet. I haven't washed my face today. Typically, when I go to the gym in the morning, I don't wash my face and all that before I go to the gym because you're just gonna have to do it again when you get back, and you don't wanna ever overdo the skincare, okay? I think a lot of times if you have problematic skin, you feel like you need to do more. You need to wash it more. You need to put treatments on more. But sometimes, which I learned the hard way, when my skin acts up, I tend to go pretty hard with it. And sometimes you need to do the opposite. You kind of just need to bring it back and keep it simple. All to say, I got totally off track, but I haven't washed my face yet today because if I'm going to the gym in the morning, I do the skincare afterwards. But I do put on sunscreen. You need to put on sunscreen because the sun is bad for your skin and it does not discriminate, okay? If you're just running to the store really quick, running to the gym really quick, your skin is being exposed to the sun, so you still need to wear sunscreen. So in the morning before I go to the gym, I just slap on some sunscreen. I do use the Black Girl sunscreen. It doesn't leave a white cast. It's amazing, but that's all that's on my skin right now with some sweat as well. So first I'm gonna go hop in the shower really quick and then we will come back and start the entire skincare routine. Okay, I am all showered and clean. So the first thing we're gonna do is actually this exfoliating mask by Avera Glow. And this actually helps deep cleanse your skin, so you don't need to cleanse your skin before you use this product. I am gonna cleanse later in the skincare routine. Hopefully it'll make more sense as we go along why I didn't cleanse first, but you'll see. So we're gonna go in with this mask first. So this mask has a really interesting texture. It's kind of like a thin jelly-like texture. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I just take a very old makeup brush that I don't use for makeup anymore, and I really just apply it all over the face. You can probably tell already that it's not your typical clay mask or anything like that. It's really, really thin. You can still see my skin through the mask. And it does have little, I don't even know, like granules in it. Like it has a little sandy texture to it. So that is what is gonna exfoliate the skin. More so when you wash it off. That's when you get the exfoliating factor of this mask. But now that it's all applied, I just wait about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, 20 if I get distracted, and then I will wash it off. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes and the mask is definitely dried down. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's the little white dots are the exfoliants. That is what is gonna exfoliate our skin when we start washing off the mask. So I'm about to do that now, and then we will move into step 2. Okay, our skin is clean, it is dry. I haven't applied anything just yet. So moving on to step number 2. Step number 2, we are actually going to shave our face. I'm sure all of you have heard of this before, how girls shave their face and get all the peach fuzz off. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm using this little tool. I know I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. So I like to go in with my Avera Glow Perfectionist Oil. Also, a lot of the products I'm gonna use in this video are from Avera Glow because I use their entire line of skincare products every single day, but this is not sponsored by them. I consistently buy their products like clockwork. So not sponsored, but you are gonna hear the name a lot. So I use the Avera Glow Perfectionist Serum when I do this. So all I do is drop like 3 or 4 drops into the palm of my hand. I rub it all together like this and just kind of pat it around my face. Once I have the oil on my face, then I just go in with my little tool and shave all of the peach fuzz off of my face. The main thing you want to focus on when you're shaving your face with one of these little tools is that you want to pull the skin really, really tight so that it doesn't catch or anything like that. These at-home ones are pretty like dummy proof. I can run my finger across it, nothing's gonna happen. So you shouldn't have any issues like that, but just to be on the safe side and just to make it easier, I like to pull the skin in the area that I'm doing just so that it's nice and flat and tight, and then you can just shave the little peach fuzz off. This is also really good to help exfoliate the skin and kind of get more of the dead skin off. I just feel like it makes my skin really, really smooth. I feel like my skincare seeps into the skin better, and then my makeup goes on like butter, baby. So I do it anyway, even though I don't really have that fuzzy of a face, to be quite honest, but I like to do it. Okay, now that my skin is exfoliated and I have shaved my face, now there's like little hair residue all over my face. So this is when I'm gonna cleanse the face. So if you haven't watched my Glow review video, the cleanser is quite different than your normal cleanser. It's a lot faster, a lot easier, and it works really, really well, but you'll see as I do it. But basically, I'm going to spray my face with this clarifying dew. This is the first step for cleansing your face in this particular skincare system. And then I'm gonna go in with the cleanser on a cotton round. This is what their cleanser looks like. I'm almost out, but I do have a backup already. So first going in with the clarifying dew all over the face. Then I take my cleanser, make sure it is all shaken up really, really well. I just put 4 little dabs on a cotton round. And I just apply it to the face like this and rub it around in circular motions. And these products are extremely gentle, so you can get it close to the eye and nothing is gonna sting or burn or anything like that. Next, we're gonna go in with the Glow Luminous Complexion Toner. It looks like this. Again, I'm almost out, but I have another one ready to go. And then same thing, you're just gonna apply it to a cotton round and then apply it to the face. And if this skincare routine seems really, really weird, it's because it is. But if you want more information about it, I think I mentioned this before, but I did an entire review using these products and I explain everything in that video, how the products work and how to use them, everything. So definitely check that out if you are at all curious about what the hell this skincare routine is. Now that my face is clean, it's toned, we're gonna go in with these anti-wrinkle patches by Ouya. And I'm happy to announce that this portion of the video is sponsored by Ouya Skin. They were nice enough to send me these really cool anti-wrinkle patches, and they did give me a discount code to share with you guys, so I will have that in the description box below. I was really excited when they reached out to me because your girl is 30, okay? And aging scares me, and so I am so into all the anti-aging, anti-wrinkle products. I feel like the best way to go about aging in general is making sure to start early so that you can do preventative work instead of waiting until later to try to reverse everything. So this particular pack came with a forehead patch, which we love. Y'all probably know already that I do have fillers, but I don't have Botox. So this is a good alternative to Botox. It comes with a forehead patch, eye patches, patches for your smile lines, a neck patch, and a chest patch. And these are different from your normal like sheet type masks. Those are a one-time use. These you can use up to 15 times. So I think that's amazing because I haven't come across any product like this that you can reuse. Typically you can only use it one time and then you have to throw it away. In your little package, you're going to get all of your anti-wrinkle patches. It also comes with 2 of these really cool little plastic sheets, but you can stick your patches here to save them for later. So it says that the patches form a microclimate once applied between the patch and the skin. The microclimate seals in moisture to better hydrate your skin. So you can apply these over product or you can apply it on your clean face. The patch gently compresses the skin to stimulate hydration, allowing the skin to heal and regenerate from within. And then while enhancing the skin's moisture state, the patches modulate and normalize collagen production and facilitates the restoration of connective tissue, ultimately reducing wrinkles and lines for good. So I'm here for it. You're gonna apply the patch and gently press it, and then after you use the patches, you can rinse the patches with just water and then allow the patches to air dry with the adhesive side up before you stick them onto these little sheet patches right here. Okay, so we're just gonna go from the top down. So the first one I have is a forehead patch. It's like a silicone texture, and then obviously it has the seal right there, so you'll just peel the seal off and then apply it to the skin. I'm so excited for this. Okay, this is shaped kind of like your forehead, as you can see, so I'm just gonna place it right here. It feels so cool. I love that. Okay, next we're gonna do the under eye patches, and it does say too that you can relax with these on for however long you want, and you can also sleep in them. Next, we're gonna use the neck patch, which is what I'm really excited about, because over the past, I wanna say like 5 years, I have noticed that I have pretty noticeable lines on my neck, which I'm not happy about. And then once I noticed it on myself, I started looking at other people and my friends to see if they had lines on their necks, and a lot of them did not. So I was like, love that for me, but these patches will help that. Okay, so the neck patch looks like this. It'll just fit right here. I'm gonna try to focus it where the lines are. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a very dominant line here and then a second one here. So we can't skip the neck. It feels so cool. And then last but not least, they also sent a chest piece. Okay, so it looks like this. And I'm just gonna apply it right here. And then you just wanna gently press it into place. I feel like I'm from the future, but it looks so cool. So just a tip for all of my girls out there that are younger than me, start early. Now that I have all of my patches on, I do wanna let them sit for quite some time. So I'm just gonna go eat, relax, let this do its thing. So I will be right back. Okay, I'm back and I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. I have my robe on now because I'm absolutely freezing. Our house is so cold, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my patches off now. And I'm just gonna place them all on one of these sheets right now, and then once I wash them later, I will transfer them to the other sheet. But yeah, let's go ahead and take these off. It feels so nice. This one, this is my problem area, if you will. Y'all can't tell me that the lines don't already look better. I'm shook. And I don't even have the rest of my skincare products on yet. That's so cool. It literally looks like I have a blurring filter on when I'm looking in the mirror, because these lines here were so prominent before and now you can barely see them, and that was just after one use. So if I use these consistently, I feel like my necklines will be completely gone. Miracles. I literally thought I was gonna have to like get some kind of injection to like fill the lines in. This is freaking amazing. I feel like the underneath of my eyes not only looks smoother, but brighter. Almost all the darkness that I typically have under my eyes is gone. This is the best that they've ever looked, to be honest. And then last but not least, the forehead. Yes, she's smooth. I am very, very impressed by these patches with just one use. So definitely check out Ouya Skin. Their stuff is no joke. It's backed by science. This is the real deal. So definitely check them out. I'm definitely gonna continue to use them, but honestly, the first use, I'm shook. Moving on to the next step, which is moisturizing and oils. I love oils. Okay, I have very oily skin, very, very oily skin, but I found that by using oils on your skin produces less oils. I don't use oils during the day because obviously I get oily throughout the day, but at night I love using heavy moisturizers, oils, everything to nourish my skin. And I've seen huge improvements with how oily my skin gets throughout the day by using these heavy moisturizers and oils at night. So first we're gonna go in with this moisturizer. This is the Avera Glow Decadent Restoring Cream. You wanna use your water-based products first, let that soak into the skin, and then go in with your oils on top. This is actually an anti-aging moisturizer, so I like to go in with this one on the neck. My skin feels so smooth, so hydrated. Before I go in with my oil, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my eye cream. Right now I'm using this one from Belief, but honestly, I'm not obsessed, but I definitely don't wanna waste the product. So before I try a new one, I wanna use this one up, and then I just like to dab it under the eye, and I typically drag it onto my eyelid as well and the brows. Is that necessary? No, but that's what I do. Next, we're gonna go in with the Avera Glow Perfectionist Night Serum. And just like before, I just use about 3 or 4 drops, usually 4, because I do put it on my neck as well. And then just rubbing it in between your hands, evenly distribute it and kind of warming it up. And then I just pat it into the skin like this. So I like to give myself a mini little face massage. And all I do is I like to just rub my face in that upward outward motion. I'll take my palms and kind of like start at the bottom and push my cheeks up. I'm not using too much pressure. I know I probably look crazy, but I feel like it just feels really, really nice. I just start at my nose. I go up my nose, around my eyes, and back. I apply more pressure right here where my eyebrows start, because usually I have congestion and things like that. So it just feels good and it feels like it releases everything when I do that. So I'll do that a few times. I like to just take 2 of my fingers and go like this on my forehead, just across my entire forehead a few times. And then what I'll do around my cheeks and my jawline, I will take my knuckles like this, hug my cheekbones with my hands pretty much, and go in an outward upward motion. So starting at the center of my face, and I just go like this. I feel like this is kind of like using that, I don't even know what it's called, that stone that people use and they like rub it. Kind of like that, but I just do it myself with my fingers. It feels really nice, and maybe it's doing something, maybe it's not, but it feels really, really good. And I'll just go out like this, all the way up to my ear. And I'll do that a few times. And then that's it for my little face massage. And then last but not least, one of my ride or die, tried and true products. If you've been following me on here or Instagram at all, you know that I use and swear by the Babe Lash Lash Serum. It is my absolute favorite. It has done wonders for my lashes. And all I do is a thin layer of the serum across my upper lash line. Just a quick application like this. And that's it. And that is pretty much it for this video. I definitely wanted to end this video in natural lighting in front of a window so you guys can see my skin and how it's looking after everything. I can tell you that it feels amazing. It feels so smooth and hydrated. This is literally my favorite day of the week, is when I'm able to do my in-depth skincare routine. Huge thank you again to Oya Skin for sponsoring a part of this video today. Don't forget to check the description box for the link and the discount code. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Apologies.